Traffic, Paramount Flight 2 taking active and holding. Heritage Flight 2 departing runway 28, and we're charting the area to the west. Heritage.
Going to do a straight-in approach?
Yeah.
Unless you want to do an overhead 360 with a left-hand brake.
Yeah, we can do that.
I'm good. What are you showing for grounds, 130?
That's right.
All right, we'll report.
Ready, Dave.
2 more degrees.
Sky Manor traffic. Paramount Flight 2 departing runway 25, and we'll be heading out to the west. Sky Manor. Sky Manor Cherokee entering downwind runway 25. Sky Manor.
Another great day for the freedom of flight. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel below.